So Tanya, you're next.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tanya Berger at The Ohio State University in the US. And I lead there the Computational Ecology, Environment, and Conservation CEAS Lab. But there are many icons that are at the bottom there that are affiliated with, that I'm affiliated with, or affiliated with this, or related, and many people on this call that are going to be presenting that I collaborated with widely. My lab and I both have a multiple research personality. So I'm an multilingual immigrant, both in research and in life. I am professor of computer science and engineering, electrical computer engineering, and evolution ecology and organismal biology at OSU. I also lead the largest research institute, the Translational Data Analytics Institute, which at OSU that brings together everybody who has anything to do with data. So I collaborate very, very broadly. And in this context, particularly next, my research spans from the entirety of sort of this intersection of computing and ecology, from the data collection in multi modalities, and you'll see the same pictures probably repeating several times throughout this, and to sort of making sense down to individual animal ID in these in images, or from drones or from pictures, and bringing this all together to the right abstraction definition. How do we translate a problem in ecology into a definition in computer science problem? How does it sort of the two align so the computational answer actually makes sense in ecological context? And that's I focus heavily in this until now on network analysis, dynamic network analysis, but really transitioning to how to make AI to generate testable hypotheses in science. And so that leads us to extraction of algorithms for extracting pattern and structure, including the two recently funded centers and institutes. So one is the Imageomics Institute, establishing a whole new field of science, and the other one with the outcomes that maybe heard about, the BioClip Foundation model for the Tree of Life and interpretable transformers, as well as the new initiative that many people here are part of, that's AI and Biodiversity Change, ABC, Global Climate Center. And then we translate this, the big part of the work I'm really interested in, how do we translate then these computational outcomes into testable scientific hypotheses within the context of science and get scientific insight and potentially societal impact. So it is very broad. Next, the biggest kind of two aggregating foci of the work that I do right now is this Imageomics Institute funded by National Science Foundation in the US, with many, many people already part of and growing. That's the omics from images, extracting biological traits, particularly phenotype and functional phenotype, and connecting to genotype from images, driving towards interpretable AI. And next, this AI and Biodiversity Change Global Climate Center, many familiar faces, that with a focus of contributing AI-enabled tools and analysis to describe impact of climate change on species and habitats. Next, we also teach a course, which is Experiential Introduction to AI and Ecology. It's a year-long course with a field component in different places in the world, until now in Kenya. But where this year we're gearing up to go to do it in Hawaii, bringing together computer scientists and biologists in real field work. Next. And this is the cover album of my current lab with the current PhD students who stayed. I have 3 who just graduated and 4 who are joining, but happy to see so many people interested. Thank you.